welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Don't surprise me like that again, Michael.
Sorry.
I'm Cindy.
Hey.
This is my kitchen. Teddy's right there. Teddy, come here, boy. I'm gonna give him a little haircut today and brush him out, and Ginger's somewhere around over there in the couch. But anyways, this morning or this early afternoon, let me see what time it is. 1:48 p.m. on a Thursday, the 27th of September, 2018. Michael and myself, we went to the supermarket like everybody does, like every week. And I told Michael, let's make some oatmeal Scottish cookies. So it was $1.69. This is very easy because if you can see back here, all you need is your packet of the flour, you see? That is here, and you put it in a bowl. You add 1 egg and 1 stick of butter. Now I put the stick of butter in the microwave because I'm not going to be able to stir it if it's cold, you know. So it says there in the box to put it in the microwave and melt the butter, you know, which we did here. And now we're gonna like just, you know, beat this, right, Mike?
Beat it up.
What else do we put, Michael? Is there anything else we gotta put?
That's it.
It feels dry.
That's it.
Crap.
It's
Okay.
oatmeal.
Oh, that's right, because it's oatmeal.
So guys, that means that you don't really
It's harder.
put
It's
any
harder.
liquid.
Let me put this in the
not
bottle.
really too much liquid, almost
It's
none.
like this. Well, no, it's no liquid on it. Just
Right, because it's
you know,
oatmeal.
the butter that we have here
Yep.
with my finger, and put the rest of it. It says 1 stick, so that what we put, right?
That's
And
right.
what are those little things that? Is that like the butterscotch, like the pieces of butterscotch?
Butterscotch,
right?
yep. Butterscotch oatmeal cookies.
Butterscotch smells like rum.
Yes.
You ever like smell that flavor? You know?
I like it.
Yeah.
I like
Yeah,
it. I like it.
See, but I'm working here very hard to do this.
Oh,
you
we
see
got a
it?
comment. I think it was this
About
morning,
what?
and they said that they love my singing.
Oh, they did.
I will sing. I will sing.
Who would say like you're singing?
One of our subscribers.
Oh. Well, we don't put music in our stuff.
Nope.
I haven't slept like been sleeping really bad lately. Okay, so this is ready. So that's it, guys. You put it all together, and I'm gonna take a spoon, and we're gonna do little balls, right, Mike?
That's right.
And put them over there. I think a smaller spoon than that. Let me take a smaller spoon. There we go. That's much better. And what we're gonna do, we don't even have to grease this up. And we're gonna make cookies this big.
That's right.
And we're gonna space them a little bit apart.
Space them out, space them out.
Yeah. Gotta space them out a little bit. 3, like that, and you push it with your finger out.
That's right. No fancy equipment. A spoon.
Yeah, just, you know,
And
and
this
make
is
sure that if you like try to like, you know, push them together within the rounded of the form of the cookie. So when they get big, they'll be, right, Mike?
That's right.
Nice and big and rounded. Okay. I don't want to put a lot of them because I want them to like have space to, you know,
To grow.
to breathe. Exactly.
Even though they're oatmeal.
I'm gonna put one more in the middle. Here we go. And I think that's about it. And it says on 315. It says for how many minutes,
No,
Michael?
for 350.
350 for
12
50
minutes.
For 12 minutes, but I'm gonna put right now. I'm gonna
15
put 15
minutes, yeah.
because this is an oven, and when you have these home ovens, sometimes they cook differently at different temperatures. The temperature is not the same, so I like to add a couple of minutes, and I will be checking on it. So I'm gonna put it right there in the center so they can cook at the same time for 15 minutes, and then later on, before 15 minutes, when I take those out, I'm not gonna come back live. I'm gonna come back live in the next batch. But Michael will be doing a little video of me taking these out.
That's right.
And putting these back in, and then we'll come in and close the episode, and I'll have Michael taste a cookie. I can't have him, but Michael can have a cookie, and then that's what we're gonna do. Don't forget to subscribe, and please just press the notification button so every time we make a video like this, you guys get notified. And thanks for watching. See you in a little bit. Guys, I'm not gonna talk a lot, and you see, as soon as you see the edges like that, like they're brown, that means they're done. Let's put the other tray. We'll be back in another 15 to 20 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe. For coming back, so I already made 2 batches of cookies, but my husband came down and he devoured big 3 of them, and Michael ate. How many you ate, Michael?
I ate one.
I ate, Michael ate 1, so we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 9, 10, 11, that my husband ate 3, that's 11, and Michael 1, that's 12.
That's right.
So I think we have 19, so we have 30 seconds, but it's coming out right now because we don't need those 30 seconds.
19
And
cookies
here we
total.
are. Yep, 19 cookies total. And these are butterscotch cookies. You know, they smell delicious. My husband came down because he's like, wow, And I'm like, what are you doing down here? It's, oh, I smell the cookies. And I'm like, really? He's like, yep.
Smell them up, smell them up.
So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just
Tastes
gonna
very
like,
similar to caramel butterscotch because I had one.
Yeah, I'm gonna put
It's
these
very
like
good.
this, 'cause these are dry already, but these are not, Mike.
That's
Okay?
right.
And not dry, but you know, they're not hot. Is that the word for it?
Yeah.
Oh, I almost put one right under the placemat. It's in the dum-dums. But anyways, here you guys. Here's your butterscotch cookies, guys. And I hope you can like double the recipe. Make it yourself in the box. Follow the instructions. Just one thing, keep in mind, not all the ovens, they heat up and bake the same way. So you might want to like keep an eye on if it says 13 minutes, because conventional ovens like these, they're not restaurant, you know, so you cannot follow that. Sometimes it's like 3 or 4 more minutes more than what it says in the box. But with that, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching us and following us and loving us the same way we love you. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google Plus, on Pinterest.
That's right.
You can go on Patreon down below. Click on the link. You can donate $1 or not, $100 or maybe no dollars.
Or how about
We're still
$1?
gonna love you. $1 will do good, and that will help us to buy more stuff so we can make more recipes. With that, I'm gonna let you guys go. And we love you all. Don't drink and drive. Try to make your cookies. Michael, here, have a cookie. Michael didn't eat
did
one in
already.
front of everybody, but you gotta eat one here.
All right.
I'm gonna turn this around so Michael can eat the cookie. Let me see, Mikey.
All right, go ahead.
Here we go. Eat,
Hey, everybody.
Michael, that cookie. How's that? You like that?
Oh, yeah.
They're good, right? The butterscotch
tastes like,
cookies. Yeah.
like caramel.
They look really nice. I'm gonna take a picture of them just like that. But I don't know where to take the picture. Okay. So we'll be doing that in a second. So anyways, guys, we love you all. Thanks for watching. Don't
Welcome.
forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching Cindy's Kitchen. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. And bye. Love you all.